Gamers! Hello, hi. It's your favorite G4 reviewer here, Dakaja, back in my kitchen. Just moved here, by the way, if you want to go see the vlog on that, link in the description down below. I have a new GFUEL video for you guys, and not only is this a new GFUEL video, I'm not actually alone on this one. Val! I have arrived! What do we have in this box here today, Val?
This is your video. This is the Shiny Splash flavor.
So this is the brand new Shiny Splash inspired by aDrive. This is a blueberry lemonade, which has been highly requested by so many of you in the community. Arguably, one of my favorite flavors is the hype sauce. That is a lemonade flavor. This flavor is also lemonade, and by transitive property, has to be my favorite. So I think it's gonna be pretty good. I'm excited to try it out. Blueberry seems like it's gonna mix with it pretty well. We have to open this bad boy up, and you know, around here, we don't do things practically. We're gonna play a little game we like to call Guess the Item I'm about to open the box with. So you guys know how this works. We're gonna present you with 3 different items. You have to comment down below which you think you have to comment down below. You have 5 seconds to guess down below which item we're actually gonna open the box with. The 3 items for today, will it be the
foam stick.
Foam stick, number B? Number 2, is it gonna be option B? Is that a pizza cutter?
Yes.
Or will it be C?
The Ninja coffee machine.
You know, have 5 seconds to guess down below which of the items we're gonna be opening this box with. Starting now. Whoa! I didn't hear that.
Did not get me.
If you guess the coffee maker, of course you're correct. We're gonna open that box with that box. You have to carefully, just lunge into each other. Ready? Go. You gotta oh, that actually broke the seal a little bit.
Keep going.
I think we're good. Oh, it actually did break it. So our package is looking great. Here it is. All right, the brand new aDrive inspired Shiny Splash flavor. So all around we got a nice navy and Carolina blue with a little bit of yellow, the lemonade infusion with blueberry, obviously. We're not gonna waste a lot of time here, but again, if you guys wanna save some money on this product, the GFUEL, or literally anything from GFUEL's website, you can use code DUCK for 10 to 30% off. And yeah, which cup do you want? I'll let you choose.
I will take the rock.
Take your thumb and put it on the other side. We're gonna rip into this seal here. Yeah.
Are we scrolling the whole way around?
Go. Oh, there we go. Ugh. Let's see how this stuff actually smells. Put your nose to it real close.
It popped in my nose.
Smells like blueberries.
It's like blue chug rug a little bit.
Take our giant gallon of water here. This is a big boy bottle, bro. Where'd you get this?
I don't even know. It was just here.
What? We're gonna take 1 full scoop, have a little bit of extra powder, a little Mountain Over for some extra flavor. We're gonna put 1 in here. It's more of a Carolina baby blue. Well, it looks very similar to the blue of the blue chug rug. Oh wow, and when you smell it mixing with water, that lemonade factor comes out.
Now I smell the lemonade more than the blueberry.
I mean, I can still smell the blueberry in there, but more of the lemonade for sure. Go ahead and pour yours in there.
All right.
Beat you up. Okay, wait. We should lock arms and shake. Like this, go through my arm. And done. Get up close to the microphone here for our pop.
That had no
Mine
pop.
was pretty good. Yours wasn't. I could smell the blueberry a lot more when kind of shaking it around a bit.
I smell the lemonade.
I mean, I smell the lemonade for sure, but a lot of blueberry presents. Cheers it together, everybody. Cheers at home on the screen. Don't spill it. What the heck did you? This is the brand new aDrive inspired Shiny Splash. Let's see how it is.
Wow.
That's the word. They did it again, dude. I always try to be careful of how dramatic I am in these videos. I don't want people to see something, especially by somebody who's sponsored, they just freak out about it. But this is genuinely really tasty across the board. That blueberry taste is so present in it. It's not an overwhelming thing, but there's a really good balance between the lemonade and the blueberry.
I think that takes the #1 spot for me.
Really? Already? Yeah. This is 5 sips in.
Yeah, it reminds me of it's like hype sauce, but with blueberry a little bit.
That's a little bit more sour than I think the hype sauce is, which is my favorite thing within GFUEL flavors. So having that factor in it, along with this new blueberry sensation, phenomenal taste, really good. So that particular blueberry flavor reminds me a lot of Dum Dum lollipops. It's very similar to that, but the lemonade factor in it makes this tartness and sourness level come out tenfold.
Have you ever had the hard candies where it was little hard banana and then the blue orange?
I know what you're talking about.
That's what it tastes like.
That kind of does taste like that as well. Yeah, I think this is my #1 too.
Yeah, it's really good.
This is really good. This might get a perfect rating. This might be a 10.1. It's really, really solid. I like it a lot. What are you gonna?
15.
15?
15 out of 10.
He just skyrocket. Awesome, very good. I enjoy this a lot. Again, this is out for you guys to go pick up now if you want to try it out. You can find it in the link down below. The Shiny Splash inspired by aDrive. All around, I really like it. Use code DUCK to save some money on this product. Hopefully you did enjoy, and if you did and you don't mind doing so, make sure you go ahead and drop a sub-like, a subscribe, a like, and a comment, and we will see you in the next video.